Guys, today I was sent home for having a major hiccup. So, instead of wasting my time, I'm just gonna make a video about the worst things that you could do when you're having a major hiccup. Okay? So here goes. Number one, stop dance. Play stop dance.
You were standing with your girlfriends in the street, falling back on forever.
Stop. I lose. Number two, act like a frog. Number three, sing a song and serenade your loved one. Nag-aabang sa langit, sa mga ulap sumisilip, sa likod ng mga tala, kahit sulyap lang darna. Nag-aabang sa langit, sa mga ulap sumisilip, sa likod ng mga tala, kahit sulyap lang darna. Number four, pretend to be asleep. Number five, really fall asleep. Gising tuloy ako. Number six, issue a vow of silence. Number seven, stalk someone in secret. There you are! Number eight, have a serious fight with your loved one. Number nine, make up after having a serious fight with your loved one. Let's make up. And number 10. 10. 10. Make a video about the worst things to do when you have a major hiccup. Bye!